Students, now the question number 6 of exercise 2.4. Question number 6 is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Moholi village. The length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Okay, in question number 6, we have to find the dimensions of the plot. Dimensions of the plot, and the plot is in the rectangular shape. So, it means we have to find its length and the breadth of that rectangular plot. And plot is very narrow, it is given. And it is reserved for a school in Moholi village. And we have to find its length and breadth. And it is given that ratio of the length and breadth is given, which is 11:4. I already explained you the ratio questions of the ratios in last videos in exercise 2.2. And it is also given that village panchayat pay rupees 75,000 to fence that plot at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. At the rate of rupees per 100 meter, the village panchayat paid rupees 75,000 to fence that plot. Okay, and we have to find the dimensions of the plot, means length and the breadth of the plot. Okay, let's see the solution of question number 6. Okay, so first we'll write the given part. What is given here? The ratio of the length and the breadth. So given the ratio of the length and the breadth of the plot is 11:4. So here we'll let the length. Okay, here we'll let the length of the plot, and the length of the plot is 11x, because we are removing the ratios with a variable. So we remove this ratio with a variable x. So first is the length. So the first number of the ratio is 11x. Then breadth of the plot. So breadth of the plot is 4x, and it is in meter. Okay, because the rate is given in rupees 100 per meter. Okay, it is given that the panchayat paid rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. Okay, fencing means it's perimeter of the plot. This is the fencing. So the fencing of the rectangle is the perimeter of the rectangle. So therefore perimeter, will find the perimeter of the plot. Perimeter of the plot, what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 length plus breadth. So 2 length plus breadth. Here length is 11x and breadth is 4x. So 11x plus 4x is 15x. So 2 into 15x is 30x meter. So the perimeter is 30x meter. Perimeter of the plot is 30x meter. Why we find that this perimeter? Because it is given to fencing that plot the panchayat paid rupees 75. So always fencing is, जब भी fencing है, it means we have to use the formula of perimeter, and it is a rectangular plot, that's why perimeter of rectangular, which is 2 length plus breadth. Now cost is given. Cost of fencing is given. Cost of fencing at the rate of, cost and rate is given. So cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 100 per meter is rupees 75,000. Okay, so now according to question is cost equal rate into perimeter. Perimeter. So cost is 75,000. Rate is rupees 100 per meter, and perimeter is 30x. So 75,000 equal 100 into 30x is 3000x. We have to find the value of x. If we'll get the value of x, then we can easily find the length and width. Here we'll put the value of x and x, so we'll get the length and the width. So let's find the value of x. So transfer this 3000 to the left hand side. So 3000 is in the product form with the variable x. So the transformation of 3000 is 75,000 upon 3000 equal x. We will cancel these 3 zeros by 3 zeros. And 75 will cancel 75 by 3 25 times. So the value of x is 25. So therefore, thus the required length of plot is 11x, means 11 into 25, and which is 275 meter. So the length of the plot is 275 meter, and breadth of plot is 4x. So 4 into 25, and 4 into 25 is 100. So the breadth of plot is 100 meter. Okay, let's see it revised. Here we'll let ratios are given. So the length of the plot is 11x, breadth of the plot is 4x, because ratio is removing with a variable. Here we find the perimeter of the plot, because it is given to the cost of fencing that plot. And fencing हमेशा हम बाउंड्री पे ही करते हैं, कभी हमने बीच में एरिया में करा है यह fencing? No, we didn't done like this. So that's why here first I find the perimeter of the plot. So the plot is in the rectangular, so the perimeter of rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. Length is 11x and breadth is 4x. So 11 plus 4x is 15x. So 2 into 15 is 30x. Now cost of fencing is given, which is 75,000 at the rate of 100 per meter. So cost is equals to rate into perimeter. So here we'll write the cost, rate and perimeter, and we solve it, and we'll find the value of x, and value of x is 25. So the required length is 275 meter, and the required breadth of the plot is 100 meter. That's it.